friends, my name is Sai Teja. I am from Team Bite Brigade. My teammates are Sai Kiran and Roshan Kumar, and this is our fourth project which we have done on Indian tourism, that is Incredible India. Let me show you my project, that is the website. This is the page what we have done, that is Incredible India. Let me first show you my site, and these are the images that belong to some North Indian, South Indian, West India and East India. I have used the hovering effects, and coming to the down, Taj Mahal and Kedarnath. And these are the some famous tourist places in Telangana, that are Telangana Secretariat, Yadadri Temple, Golconda Fort and the Charminar. Coming to the Bharat, that's Tirumala from Andhra Pradesh, Mysore from Bangalore, India Gate from Delhi, Varanasi from Uttar Pradesh, Narendra Modi, he is the Prime Minister of India, and Goa Beach from Goa, Amritsar from Punjab, Manali from Tamil Nadu, and Victoria Memorial from Kolkata. And we have even kept some virtual tours of Tamil Nadu which make you to experience the real world. Let me get back here later, and some of the immersive experiences that are heritage, adventure, art, food and cuisine, luxury, nature and wildlife, spiritual, museums, shopping, yoga and wellness, eat and drink. And this is the Pamba Bridge which connects to the Dhanushkoti, and this is the some video clip on India. And let's come back to virtual tour which we have said. Now let me show you the Thanjavur virtual tour.
If we turn around the Keralandagan Gopuram, we can see beautiful sculptures on that side too. You can see 4 beautiful ladies looking up the tree. This is the Krishna Leela of Lord Krishna during his childhood. Now we can see inscriptions on either side of the Gopuram walls. We can notice a lot of ancient scripts carved on them. When passing through the Rajarajan Gopuram, along the walls of these mandapas as well as near the innermost gates. Now, when you come out of the Rajarajan Gopuram, you can see the...
Now let's go for Mahabalipuram.
We are moved further closer to the Show Temple, and adjoining the temple is a well-like deep clearance in which there are 3 interesting things. A Varaha, that is boar in the round, a fascinating miniature shrine. We have arrived at the western entrance. In front we can see the panel
and like Nilgiri.
Welcome to the virtual reality tour of Nilgiri.
And yeah, that's it guys. This is my website on Indian tourism, that is Incredible India. And let us design this. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Let's create new folder. Open, and let us create index.html. Let me import all my images from my photo library so that we can easily link them to the site. Let us first create this background keeping the image and some text, that is Incredible India. Let's link the style sheet. And keeping this image, video and content, that's title Incredible India. Let's style this body. Let's open this with live server. Yeah, you can see the image, that video and text Incredible India. We need to adjust this video to our screen size so that it will fit into the page. Now if we see that we have a 4 cards and each having different names and different images. Let me creating a division naming class container and a box with image box keeping north images, north, south and west and northeast with some text and the text color to white, and applied same styling to all the 4 places. Now let's see the image. We have done till here. Now we need to write some text like at a para, that some random text. So for that I am using para. Say some para. Let's style this para like this. Like font style to italic and margin top, margin padding and all this. Yeah, we have done till this text. Now our next task is to update an image in this like timer animation. Let's do that. For that I'm copying the code from my previous division style and keeping the Taj Mahal and Kedarnath image. Taj Mahal and Kedarnath. We are keeping this image in style sheet, so just till now only just text will be there. And if you see, we have a section containing these 4 images. So let me add that 4 images. Yeah, these are the 4 images. And coming to the next, we have a text and some circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 circles, and all are different with names and hovering effects. Let's do that. And yeah, I have linked some Google fonts, and these are the images what I'm going to do. and we are successfully done doing HTML page till here. And now we gonna do this virtual tools. The virtual tour section containing these names of the famous tourism spots in Tamil Nadu. And next, coming to this immersive experience and all these stylings, now we gonna do, and last, and a small video and an image of Pamba Bridge. Yeah. We have done with uploading these images here, and all we need to do is the styling, and yeah, and a last but not least, this image and a video. Yeah, this video. It's the video and image. Now we will done with HTML page. Now we gonna do styling a section wise. Let's start with the top of the page in index.css and all to 0. And now we gonna do and yeah, let's see. We just see video is adjusted to the size of the screen, and width and height, justify content center, align item centers. Now we need to style for the it's perfectly adjusted like as it is. Now we need to keep the text here and some hover effects, all this. And yeah, content and title, text decoration, none, and title h1, font size and text shadow and transitions, font families and hovering effects. See, it's perfectly like this. Now when you click on that, it will show some effect. And now we're gonna do stylings for this. Yeah, styling to this container. Container and container box, when it is hover, it need to transform some degrees and color changes and gradients, all these hovering effects. If you see, they are perfectly done, and even the text is also in the perfect. And coming to the next section, we need to do this animation Taj Mahal and Kedarnath image, that is clock at time animation. Let's go further. Let's see. If you see that the image is perfectly set, the effect what we are aware of. And then coming to this, we need to do this. And ఇది అయిపోయినాక కొంచెం వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ ఉంది. And next we need to do the styling for all these. This virtual section and this gonna do the styling. These are the stylings. See, we have got it. By adjusting this by adjusting this adjusting local content, we can get the page. And yes, there are small changes which we need to do here and this, so that all will come in a line. And yeah, if you see, they all are perfectly adjusted. Now which similar to this, and we have done doing the side. Let me once show you the code. Yeah, let me show you my code. This is the tags and link the styling sheet, and this is the body. There we have included a video here, container box and north south images and section and a para, Taj Mahal and Kedarnath, 2 scenes and 4 images and Google fonts. And coming to the style sheets, these are the video stylings, these are the title stylings, these are the location stylings. Yeah. And yeah, this is the code and this is the final output. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching our video on Indian tourism. I hope you loved it, and thank you one and all.